Could June 1st be the day that changes your financial outlook? What if I told you there are 5 major CRA payments arriving that could significantly boost your income this month? I'm David, and today I'm diving deep into what Ontario seniors need to know about these upcoming benefits, because missing out isn't an option when extra income could mean so much more comfort and security in retirement. The Canada Revenue Agency is sending out a powerful lineup of payments on June 1, 2025, aimed at helping Ontario seniors stretch their dollars further. But who qualifies? How much can you expect? And are there ways to make sure you don't miss a single cent? These questions and more are what I'm here to answer. First up is the Ontario Trillium Benefit, OTB, a crucial payment designed to help keep your home affordable by offsetting energy costs and property taxes. Did you know that OTB payments continue monthly through the year? This June 1st payment is one you definitely want to receive if you're eligible, as it's designed to ease those monthly expenses that can add up quickly. Next is the Canada Child Benefit, CCB, which may not be on every senior's radar but could impact you if you're supporting grandchildren or family members. It's a lifeline for many families, and knowing the payment dates helps you plan ahead. Of course, the foundation for many seniors is the Canada Pension Plan, CPP, and the payment arriving this June could mean a steady monthly income boost, depending on your contribution history and the age you started collecting. Alongside CPP, the Old Age Security, OAS, payment is another essential pillar, ensuring seniors get reliable income regardless of employment history. Both payments on June 1st could be the difference between worrying about bills and enjoying peace of mind. Lastly, don't forget the Canada Carbon Rebate, CCR, the final payment for those who filed late or need that last bit of a refund from the federal carbon tax credits. Even if you thought you missed the deadline, this June payment might surprise you. But here's the catch: how do you make sure you actually get these payments without delay? What steps should you take right now to confirm your eligibility and avoid any hiccups? That's where I come in, guiding you through the exact actions you need to take. So, will you let this opportunity pass you by? Or will you take a few minutes now to ensure your June 1st benefits arrive smoothly and fully? Stick around because I'm breaking down each payment in detail and revealing insider tips to maximize your CRA benefits. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest senior benefits news. With so much at stake, you want to be the first to know, and I'll be here to help every step of the way. I'm David, and let's make sure June 1st, 2025 becomes a day that truly boosts your income and your peace of mind. The month of June 2025 brings a significant moment for seniors in Ontario as 5 major CRA payments arrive, designed to support your financial well-being in retirement. These payments aren't just random deposits, they represent a carefully structured system that aims to ease living costs, provide income security, and offer additional support where it's most needed. Understanding each payment's purpose, eligibility criteria, and timing is key to making sure you receive every dollar you deserve, and that's exactly what we will explore in detail. First, the Ontario Trillium Benefit, or OTB, is one of the most important payments for seniors who own or rent a home in Ontario. This benefit helps offset the rising costs of energy and property taxes, which often weigh heavily on a fixed retirement income. The OTB combines 3 credits: the Ontario Energy and Property Tax Credit, the Northern Ontario Energy Credit, and the Ontario Sales Tax Credit. For seniors, this means the government is actively working to reduce your monthly expenses related to utilities and property ownership, helping you maintain a more comfortable standard of living. To qualify for OTB, you must be a resident of Ontario for the entire year, and you need to file your tax return on time because the CRA uses that information to calculate your eligibility. The payment on June 1st is part of the monthly installments you will receive throughout the year, which are designed to provide steady financial support rather than a lump sum that could be difficult to budget with. Remember, these monthly payments can range significantly depending on your income level, family status, and whether you live in Northern Ontario, where energy costs tend to be higher. For those who have not applied before or are unsure whether you're receiving the full amount, it is essential to review your tax filings and ensure all information is accurate. You can check your CRA My Account online to verify your benefit amounts and payment schedule. If you have missed previous payments, you might still be eligible to receive a retroactive amount, but this requires prompt action and possibly contacting the CRA directly. Moving on, the Canada Child Benefit, CCB, may not seem immediately relevant to all seniors, but many Ontario seniors support grandchildren or family members in their households. The CCB is a tax-free monthly payment made to eligible families to help with the cost of raising children under 18. If you're a grandparent or caregiver, Knowing the CCB payment dates and eligibility criteria can help you plan better and ensure your family is receiving the maximum benefits available. Unlike the OTB, the CCB payments are based on your adjusted family net income, which means that lower-income families receive higher payments. For seniors supporting grandchildren, this benefit can be a critical source of additional income to cover everyday expenses like food, clothing, and educational costs. The payment arriving on June 1st fits within a regular schedule of monthly installments, providing predictability and reliability. If you or your family members have not applied yet for CCB, or if your financial situation has changed recently, it's important to update your information with the CRA. Filing accurate and timely tax returns ensures that payments are calculated correctly, avoiding delays or underpayments. Seniors who are newcomers or temporary residents should also note that eligibility depends on residency requirements and tax filing history, so maintaining up-to-date records is crucial. The third payment many seniors rely on is the Canada Pension Plan, CPP. The CPP is a contributory, earnings-related social insurance program that provides monthly retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. For many Ontario seniors, CPP forms the backbone of retirement income. The amount you receive depends on how much and for how long you contributed during your working years. Your retirement age also affects your CPP payments. If you start earlier than 65, your monthly payment is reduced, while delaying past 65 increases your monthly pension. June 1st marks one of the key payment dates for CPP recipients, with payments arriving monthly to provide consistent income. If you are not yet receiving CPP but are eligible, applying as early as possible is essential, since benefits do not start automatically. Seniors who have worked outside Canada or who are newcomers should review their contribution history carefully to ensure all eligible periods are counted, sometimes through international social security agreements. Additionally, the Old Age Security (OAS) pension is a critical component of income for seniors aged 65 and older. Unlike CPP, OAS is not based on employment history but on residency. To qualify, you generally need to have lived in Canada for at least 10 years after age 18, with the full pension available to those with 40 years of residency. The OAS pension is taxable and adjusted quarterly for inflation, providing seniors with a steady, predictable source of income. OAS payments also arrive monthly, including on June 1st, and they can be supplemented by the Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS, for low-income seniors. The GIS is a non-taxable benefit designed to ensure seniors have a minimum level of income. If you qualify for GIS, your payment amount will be adjusted according to your income and marital status. For many seniors, the combined OAS and GIS payments are vital for covering everyday expenses and maintaining independence. Finally, the Canada Carbon Rebate, CCR, is the last in this series of important payments arriving for seniors on June 1st. This rebate, which replaced the previous Climate Action Incentive payment, returned proceeds from the federal carbon tax to residents of participating provinces, including Ontario. The federal consumer carbon tax ended on April 1, 2025, but the CCR continues to provide a final payment to those who filed late or missed previous deadlines. This last CCR payment is especially important for seniors who may have missed the initial filing dates or are newcomers to the country. Eligibility depends on residency in Ontario as of December 31, 2024, being 19 years or older, and filing your 2024 tax return. Seniors living in rural areas receive a 20% top-up, recognizing the higher costs associated with rural living. Although the CCR is not a large payment, every dollar counts when managing a fixed income, and this final boost can help cover essential expenses. To ensure you don't miss out on any of these payments, it's important to manage your CRA accounts proactively. Signing up for direct deposit is one of the best ways to receive payments quickly and securely. Using the CRA My Account and My Service Canada account platforms allows you to view upcoming payments, update personal information, and verify eligibility. For newcomers and temporary residents, registering with the CRA and providing residency proof is essential to access these benefits. Throughout this video, I will walk you through practical steps to maximize each benefit, provide tips for dealing with common issues, and share how to stay informed about any changes in policies or payment schedules. Your financial well-being matters, and understanding these payments can help you plan your budget with confidence. Now that you know the basics of the 5 major payments arriving on June 1st, it's time to dive deeper into each benefit. We will explore exactly how the Ontario Trillium benefit can lower your household bills, what the child benefit means for families you care about, the factors that affect your CPP and OAS payments, and how to claim the last Canada Carbon Rebate if you're eligible.